Happy birthday to you. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Catherine and I make videos all about sustainability and wellness. So today is a bit different. We're doing some wholesome content. Because it was my dog's birthday this week, we are going to make dog biscuits, and by we, I mean my special guest, my boyfriend, Alec. That was great. So this week was my Cocker Spaniel Jasper's 8th birthday. Now, we didn't have a birthday cake for him, so we wanted to make it up to him and make some yummy dog treats. So these are really simple and easy to make. So all you're going to need today is some wholemeal or strong brown flour, some peanut butter, baking powder, and some milk, any milk of your choice. Equipment wise, we have got a bowl to mix it all in, we've got a sieve for the flour, some scales, and we also got this super cute dog bone cookie cutter, which I'm so excited about. Okay, let's get on to it. Now, the recipe that we have is super old school, so it's actually in ounces, which I haven't seen in so long. So if your scales does ounces, then that's perfect. If not, I will put a conversion up on the screen now so you know how many grams you need per ounce. So for the flour, we are going to need 9 ounces. Let's do it. Yeah. Wait.
Yeah, that's an ounces. It's OZ.
Does that mean we've been doing the grams wrong the whole time?
Yeah.
No. Wait. That's why all the recipes have been wrong.
Anyway.
Okay.
I'll get a spoon, shall I?
Yeah? Okay, I was just gonna pour it like a cave woman. No,
Let's
no.
do that.
Let's be classy. I like your idea.
No. I like your idea.
Okay. Okay, that's 7.7. Wow, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. Okay, so while Alec is doing the flour, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of baking powder. That's quite a lot of baking powder actually. Yeah, it's definitely a tablespoon. It's a lot. I don't know how many cookies this makes, so it's going to be a surprise. Sorry.
So I'll just chuck this in.
Yeah, just chuck it on top. We should probably get it. Oh, I can taste it.
I can't find a spoon, but I did find this weird.
We've done it wrong. It's fine. It just says you're supposed to combine the peanut butter and the milk first. We'll just do it in here.
Yeah.
Yeah? In here I've got 8 fluid ounces of milk. Again, I'll put it up on the screen what that is in milliliters and cups. So if you've never heard of fluid ounces before, like I hadn't, you'll know what to do. So, first of all, we need 10 ounces. By the way, if you haven't already, check out Alec's YouTube channel. I'll put it in the description below. He does fun gaming videos and occasionally does memes that are really funny. So if you want to go and have a laugh, then check out his channel. Okay, so now that's 8 ounces. Well, it's 8.1, but we're just going to deal with it. That looks disgusting.
12 hours later.
Oh wow, you're doing such a good job. I think it's really nice if you want to make treats at home and you want to make sure that there's nothing nasty in them. This is a really nice recipe to use. Ooh. We're gonna have to get our hands in. Oh, it smells so good.
It does, doesn't
It
it?
smells amazing.
It's not too bad actually. You know how some dough is overly sticky and you get frustrated and you just feel like your head's about to explode. It's not like that.
Oh, good.
It's actually needing a good old smack because it smells naughty.
I'm just going to go straight in with the rolling pin.
Yeah, I think it doesn't need to be nabbed. So the real trick to getting a nice smooth circle is to keep rolling and flip. Roll, roll, roll. Flip. Roll, roll, roll. Don't put too much pressure on, or you'll split the dough. And flip.
So mine's so not even, it's like really flat on one side, but it'll be fine. I don't think the dogs are too snooty.
Mine are beefcakes.
Whoa! How's it going?
It's going amazingly actually, because mine are
Wow, they're
thick.
like proper thick.
That's what I wanted from mine. I wanted the dogs to be like, hey, oh, we're gonna get a treat. And then they'll be like, but I want one of ALEC'S ones.
Oh.
Yeah.
If you want to get a cookie cutter like this, then I'll put a link in the description for where we got ours from. And then you can make the cutest little dog treat.
I'm being sustainable.
Yes, darling, it looks great. So now that we've cut all of our dog bones, they are into our trays and they're lined with the nice parchment paper. We need to put them into the oven for 20 minutes. Ah, it's gonna die.
Not before I get.
It's time.
They look good though.
Do you think we've overcooked them?
No.
I couldn't have done it without you.
I'm sure you could have.
No, I couldn't have done it without you.
Happy birthday to you.
Maya, get down. There you go, Jasper. Is that good? Hi, Mama. That concludes our video. I hope that you enjoyed watching us make dog treats. I know this video is a bit different to usual, but I just thought it would be a nice memory for us to look back on, and it's just some feel-good content for the week. Thank you so much, Alec, for joining me. You were a great chef.
Thanks.
Don't forget to subscribe to his channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it helps other people find my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video on Sunday. Bye!